This is Amanda from Amanda's Barbecue, and I'm going to show you how you can have delicious ribs this up and coming 4th of July. All right, let's go. All right, so we're going to use this spare rib. Take a sharp knife, get this flap of meat off. You can make a pork stock or make your dog a treat. I don't really need it. Next, I'm going to pinch off as much fat as I can. When I do that, I roll it up and then I cut against the gristle and keep cutting to make a nice St. Louis cut. This little piece can be used as a rib tip. I'm going to take off the membrane on the back and then take my knife and get some more fat off. But again, I'm not worried about getting all the fat off because that adds the flavor. Now I got my little muddy water concoction that I like to use because it helps Amanda's barbecue rub stay on the ribs. So I sprinkle my rub on, which is made up of paprika, garlic, onion powder, and some more nice spices. Rub it in real good. All right, so we're going to be using our char griller. You can get this grill at maybe Home Depot or Lowe's for about $150 to $200. I don't have this grill for about 5 years. It has an offset smoke on the side. I put my coal and my wood already in here, and the grill is already at 250 degrees, so it's ready to go. I have a water pan inside the grill to help with moisture. Right, so we got our ribs on here. Like I said, the grill is at 250, and we're gonna let them smoke for about 2 hours. See you in 2 hours. All right, y'all, let's check it out. The ribs been on here about for 2 hours. Let's see what we looking like. As you see, we got clean smoke. Clean smoke coming out there. So let's check on them. What I like to do is just spray my ribs a little bit. What I'm going to do now is reposition them. So I'm going to put them over closer near the smokestack and give them about 2 more hours, and these babies will be ready to come off the grill. All right, y'all, 4 hours up. She ready. All right, the ribs are done. I'm just going to do a final dust of the seasoning. Put a little Amanda's barbecue sauce on now. Just a tad bit. Not needed, but. Happy 4th of July.